Hey beautiful soul, repeat. I am beginning to realize that as I look back on my life, it's always worked out for me. One way or another, even when I did not see a way out, life brought me to a better place. I rest any anxiety and doubt on the shoulders of my energy, for it knows no fear. I am empowered like never before. I am aligned with the strength of my spirit. The state of my life has shifted from victim and difficulty to an awakened ease. Everything is working out for me. Claim it. Type yes if you agree.